Yeah, yeah. As I've told you that my name is Priyanshu. I have done MCA, and I have like both experience, like been teaching also and in corporate also. Right now, I am working as a computer science teacher, and yes, that's all. Nothing more than this. But I'm looking for Python because I want to change my career path so that I think that Python will help me in that.
Okay, good, great. So how was your overall experience with the bootcamp that was conducted on 21st of December?
Yeah, yeah. Boot camp was nice. The teacher over there, I think he's different, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. So he was a mentor that he normally conduct the classes for all the data science, data analytics, and machine learning and deep learning. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah. That was a nice experience.
Okay, and how was the content and then the overall the design of the each and every sections?
Yeah,
So
boot camp
any
was
comments about
nice.
that?
No doubt, boot camp was nice. It was crisp and uh, in 2 days, the mentor has covered like most of the uh, things which can introduce Python. It was nice. It was okay.
And did like whatever the curriculum that we had designed for the boot camp, so that meet your expectations from a 2 days boot camp, like whatever we had covered in this 2 days boot camp.
Yeah, actually, if somebody is having like a, computer base already, so he might be having too much of expectations, and the one who is not having like too much of experience or he is new to Python, so for them it's okay. Okay, because they are not much aware of Python. But like suppose if you uh, if in my opinion, like suppose if I am taking the class, I have too many of questions because I am carrying too much of baggage also because I have done so many languages. So I might be comparing each language with Python. So to uh, come across all the queries, it's not possible in 2 days. So that is okay because you can't please everybody in the class. So that is my opinion because suppose if I have already know C++, so every time if you tell me a function, if you tell me anything of the Python, then I will compare it with the C++. Then I have like lot many of questions. So in 2 days of time, it is very difficult to satisfy every student. In that scenario, it is like what I feel, it's very less time. But if in opposite to that, if a student is not having any um, uh, prior experience or prior knowledge of any other language, for them it's very, very wonderful, very, very great boot camp.
Yeah, okay. Great to know, Priyanshu, about that. Okay. So if I ask the last question, okay, so if I ask, okay, how do you rate the instruction teaching style? So what is your comments or opinion on that? Yeah.
Um, Yeah, it's great. I give my mentor like 10 out of 10. The teaching style is very good. Yeah, by teaching, by his style, you can easily understand that the mentor is having a very vast experience in teaching, and he has very profound knowledge of Python also. So from my side, it's very great experience.
Okay, good. Thank you for that. And any final comments, suggestions for improvement in future, or do you think that we should also focus along with the Python on another technology as well?
Yeah, what I think that in as Python is very new, the Python is a very old language, but recently it is developed uh, very fast. So if you are teaching Python, it should be like what should I say, like uh, we are giving like too much of practical knowledge. Like we are straight away giving like coding and coding. There should be some another pattern also, so that the students who are not having like a coding background, they could easily understand that thing also.
Definitely. So kind of a mixed kind of a scenario. So
Yeah, yeah.
we can take
Yeah,
some examples,
I
then we
think
can go
you
for
are also
a
a teacher and you can
correct.
also understand that straight away we are going to the coding part. We
Hmm.
just open the uh, platform and
Creator.
we start coding.
Yeah.
So the one who is not familiar to the coding background, he find it too much of technical. But if you talk about me, I know that it is very easy than C++ if
Yeah.
you compare Python.
Yeah.
But other than that, you can easily understand that thing.
Great. Great. So thank you for your time, Priyanshu, and definitely we'll take this as a very, very positive feedback. And thank you for your time.